Equation of a line passing through 2 points. The first point has x equals 2, and y equals 8. The second point has x equals -5, and y equals 15.
First, place the 2 points on the coordinate grid.
The run is the horizontal change, from x equals 2 to x equals -5, the run is -7. The rise is the vertical change, from y equals 8 to y equals 15, the rise is 7.
Slope is rise divided by run, 7 over -7, which simplifies to -1. Now draw the line through both points.
Start with point slope form, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Then fill in the boxed values, slope is -1, x1 is 2, and y1 is 8.
That gives the specific point negative slope equation for this line.
Finally, solve for y to get slope negative intercept form.
The graph and the equation describe the same line.